Go say TT walk. Go sit in my room. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. But anyways, like I was saying, like, it's so much stuff we're trying to teach them or whatever. It's just like, it's things that's like easy and simple. Also want to start getting into doing school again. I don't know, for a lot of our subscribers, like a couple years ago, we was doing school with Baby K before she started to go to school. We'll do like a homeschool type of thing with her and teach her, you know, her little basics before going to school. And that's actually how she kind of became smart. How smart she is now, because she is smart in school, you guys. She's smart. But I want to do it with baby Nora and Rhea, because Nora will be going to school next, and then after that, like a year later, Rhea will be going to school. So yeah, it's a brain fart, because I really want to get started on that, but it's just like, when's the perfect time to like, I mean, obviously every day is a good time to teach your kids, but like, when's the perfect time for me to like teach my 3-year-old school again, because apparently she should be going to school soon. So yeah. What? Yeah.
I'm here online. Say, mommy got a big kid.
Girl, go to your kitty. Bye. Bye.
Like that, actually.
Bye.
Yeah, I was reading them down when I'm laying down.
Bye.
I've been told you reading them down.
They've been out. They've been out here for like 20 minutes now. You ain't heard
And
them?
you never bring me up. No, I didn't actually.
How you didn't hear them though? Just out here screaming.
They was,
The more was banging on the washer and everything.
when I ain't hear no scream. Here, jump on the couch. Jump on the couch. Jump, 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 jump. Yeah, see, she knows that. She knows not to jump on the couch. She got a
big old
messy
forehead
head.
goes all the way back, y'all. Look at this.
And who she get it from? Look.
Her daddy.
Nah.
Let me stop before he comes down here.
You like, who you talking about? Night-night. Say night-night, TT.
Night-night.
Night-night.
Say don't wake up until like 10 o'clock tonight. Welcome, y'all. Welcome. Welcome. Hey. Say hi. Why you gotta play on the couch all the time? Sit down. Sit down. Journey, where you going? She gonna lay down, Mama. Come on. Look at her. Stop, girl. Journey. Babe. How you feel today? How you feel today? Say, Daddy. Thank you.